Hello there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Marco and in this video we are gonna review the 3 types of Revolut bank accounts. The structure of this video is here on this side. And to start the Revolut account review, let's answer the most important question, which is, can I get a Revolut account in my country? Revolut is available pretty much everywhere now. They actually launched in the US on the 24th of March 2020, which is very recent obviously, and you might have not heard of them. So the next topic is exchange rates, and that's where Revolut shines the most. Revolut offers the best exchange rates you can possibly get, called interbank rates. So these are the rates that banks use to exchange currencies between each other, and they are totally dependent on the stock exchange, obviously. Now, this calls for my secret strategy with Revolut. I'm using Revolut to buy foreign currencies that I know will appreciate against the pound sterling. And I'm doing it with my emergency fund, which means that I will hopefully not need that money anytime soon. So when the tide will turn and the pound start getting stronger, I will buy it at a lower rate and make a profit. And this strategy really puts your emergency fund to work because you can get a much higher profit than the 1% that you get these days with a savings account. They also have a feature on the app called Auto Exchange that, as the name says, exchange currencies at a selected rate. So you can automate the process of making money on currency rates. All of this for free. You could actually open a standard Revolut account to see if it's good for you, and if you don't like it, you can just forget about it and lose nothing. The reason is because obviously opening an account is free, and if you ask customer service directly on the phone app, they would not release your info to the bureaus, which means you're gonna avoid a credit score hit as I did. That's right, when you open a new bank account, you actually get a credit score hit, but not in this case. And just because I mentioned them, I want to say that Revolut customer service is top notch. They're available 24/7 and respond through the app. And the good thing is that you get answers in writing, which is obviously reassuring. The next thing I want to discuss is fees. Revolut charges 2% for cash withdrawals above £200 a month in the UK or $300 in the US. And this is pretty much the only annoying fee they have. On the other hand, they start charging for currency exchanges just after you exchange more than £5,000 a month in the UK or $6.5 thousand in the US. And if you exchange more, it's 0.5%. But anyway, the limits are so sky high that I don't think you'll ever pay these fees. They also charge an additional 0.5% when you exchange currencies from Friday at midnight to Sunday at midnight, GMT plus 0 time, because this is when the foreign exchange market is closed. This allows you to get the absolute best exchange rate possible for your holidays abroad. You just have to exchange in advance and avoid all fees this way. Clever, isn't it? The next thing I want to discuss is the app, because that's where you're gonna make your transactions. Revolut has got a website, but it's mostly for advertising purposes and you cannot do anything on it. The only thing you can do actually is to enter your phone number and they'll send you a text with a link, and then from that link you can download the app, and that's all there is to it. The app is very straightforward, and the first thing you see is your account balance, and you can seamlessly change from your pound account to your dollar account with just 2 taps on the screen. You can open as many accounts for as many currencies as you like. It's all for free and through the app. I've got 3, one for pounds, one for euros, and one for dollars. This multi-currency account also allows you to avoid all non-sterling fees when you have to pay dollars. Another link that has been recently added is that you can now link other accounts to the Revolut app. That will allow you to check your balance and past transactions for your other accounts all on the Revolut app. But you won't be able to make new transactions. With the Revolut app, you can also freeze your cards and pay through Google or Apple Pay. You can also buy stocks, cryptocurrencies and gold with the Revolut app, but I would not recommend it as of now. That is because they still have a limited number of stocks and no ETFs whatsoever. You only have 3 free trades, after which it is £1 per trade, and also you need to pay 0.01% of the value of your asset as custody fee. There are much better apps for buying stocks, and if you live in the UK, I have reviewed the best one of all, which is Trading 212, which is totally free from any fees. And if you want to see the full review, I'll drop the link above and will be the first one in the description below. Even cryptocurrencies are too expensive on this app. They charge 2.5% for each transaction. That is so expensive, and if you're looking to buy crypto, the best way is through Coinbase. The link to Coinbase is in the description, and you can also get £8 or $10 if you live in the US when you buy more than £81 or $100 worth of cryptocurrencies. Buying gold on the Revolut app is still not too convenient because they charge 0.25% during market hours and 1% for each transaction, obviously, outside market hours. And you can actually buy gold without any fees on Trading 212, so it's a no-brainer. Now, for the part regarding the paid bank accounts. The best thing for Revolut Premium is that there is no maximum and no fees for exchanging currencies. In addition, they give you the possibility to open a savings account with them that normally offers the best interest rate available. And this day is just 1%, but sadly that's what everyone is offering. You also get a worldwide travel insurance and a mix of cashback and discounted offers. Revolut Metal is more or less the same, but you also get a fixed amount of cashback on all purchases, which is 0.1% in Europe and 1% outside Europe. Now for the cost, Revolut Premium is £6.99 a month, whereas Metal is £12.99 a month. And the question is, are they worth it? Well, Revolut Premium is worth it if you decide to make money with exchange rate, as I told you earlier. And the good thing is that you pay and you instantly get access to the premium features. In terms of bankruptcy cover, Revolut keeps your money with other banks. For example, in the UK, Revolut keeps your money with Barclays, so you'll be fine as long as they are around. By the way, I've left a link to all Revolut fees in the description. Are you thinking of opening a Revolut account? Let me know in the comments below, I will answer all of them. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.